In a world where every decision in Washington can ripple across the globe, one move has the power to shake an entire industry. Today, we explore how the US president's tariffs are transforming the global automobile market from rising prices to international tensions. Buckle up. Let's start with the basics. A tariff is a tax imposed by one country on goods imported from another. The goal? To make foreign products more expensive, encouraging consumers to buy local. But in a globalized economy, it's never that simple. In recent years, the US president has imposed tariffs on imported steel, aluminum, and even specific vehicles and parts. This move, framed as a strategy to protect American jobs and revive local manufacturing, has sent shockwaves through the global supply chain. Who pays the price? In most cases, the consumer. Tariffs on auto parts and raw materials increase production costs. And guess what? Automakers pass those costs directly to car buyers. Studies show car prices in the US surged by up to $1,500 per vehicle due to tariffs. Global automakers like Toyota, BMW, and Hyundai aren't sitting quietly. Many have restructured supply chains, shifted production to US plants to avoid tariffs, or slowed down exports altogether. Others have pulled investments, causing job losses and delays in innovation. When America moves, the world reacts. Countries like China, Mexico, and the EU have retaliated with their own tariffs on American-made cars. It's a global tug-of-war, with consumers and workers caught in the middle. Electric vehicles seen as the future of mobility aren't immune. Many EV components, especially batteries, are imported. With tariffs on those imports, EVs become pricier, slowing down the transition to cleaner transport. Small auto parts businesses and the aftermarket sector are also suffering. Import costs are up, inventory is harder to get, and profit margins are shrinking. This sector, often overlooked, employs millions worldwide. Economically, tariffs can lead to slower growth, inflation, and job losses in interconnected sectors. Politically, they strain alliances and can spark trade wars. The automotive industry, deeply globalized, feels the heat faster than most. Will the tariffs continue? That depends on politics, negotiations, and global alliances. But one thing is clear: these policies are reshaping how, where, and what cars are made and sold around the world. The road ahead for the auto industry is uncertain. But in this era of economic nationalism, every tariff has a story. And every story drives change on the factory floor, at the dealership, and in your garage.